Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have prereqs ready, Node 14 Plus, a React codebase, and a plan for SSR or SSG. First, choose whether you need true SSR or static generation. This decision affects routing and crawling. Install React Helmet Async for client meta updates or use Next. JS head if on Next. Create a simple sitemap. XML and robots. TXT now and wire canonical tags into your root layout. Once done, your app will already serve consistent metadata that search engines can parse. Now implement per route metadata. Generate titles and descriptions from page props or CMS fields and inject open graph tags for social sharing. Use JSON LD for structured data, pages, products, articles, and ensure unique ID to avoid duplication. Make asset performance part of SEO, inline critical CSS, lazy load below the fold images, and preload essential fonts so render is fast. Once these pieces are in place, crawlers see accurate content and users get faster pages, both boosting rankings. You're ready to deploy. Choose a host that supports your chosen rendering model, server, static, or edge, and enable gzip/Brotli and caching headers. After deployment, verify indexation with Search Console and run Lighthouse audits regularly. Monitor crawl logs for blocked or slow pages. If things go wrong, like render mismatches or missing metadata, check hydration timing, ensure data fetching resolves before render, and clear stale caches. Make sure canonical links and sitemap entries match the live URLs to fix indexing issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.